Isifo sofuba siyaqhubeka ngokuhamba phambili ezifweni ezibulala abantu abaningi eNingizimu Afrika. Lelizwe libalwa namazwe ahamba phambili ngabantu abahaqwe lesi sifo emhlabeni.
TB continues to claim too many lives around the world. In South Africa in 2023, around 270,000 people were diagnosed with TB. And tragically, 56,000 lives were lost, which translate to 153 people every day.
Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela Aaron Motsoaledi uthi nakuba isifo sofuba siyinkinga kodwa sebekwazile ukunciphisa isibalo sabantu abatheleleka ngaso.
We've reduced the incidence of TB by 57%. There used to be about 600,000 people who were having TB, who were getting TB annually. It is now down to 270 because of that campaign. The area where we are still a little bit weak is to stop deaths from TB.
Umnyango wezempilo wethule umkhankaso okuhlola abantu abayizigidi ezisihlanu ngonyaka behlolelwa isifo sofuba.
Any person in South Africa who is known to be having TB, we are going to ask that the whole family be screened. The whole family of that person, regardless of the signs and symptoms that they might be having. Secondly, anybody who is HIV positive will ask them to agree to be tested because the two diseases fit into each other.
Ngokwezibalo isifo sofuba sibulala abantu abangaphezulu kwesigidi njalo ngonyaka emhlabeni.